In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Apollo.io subscription. Whether you've found an alternative service or simply no longer need the features that Apollo.io offers, knowing how to cancel your subscription efficiently is important. Stick around as we guide you through this process with ease. First things first, you'll need to head over to the Apollo.io website. You can do this by typing Apollo.io into your web browser's address bar and hitting enter. This will take you to their homepage. Once you arrive, glance towards the top right corner and you'll see an option to log in. Go ahead and click on that login button. Enter your credentials if prompted. This usually includes your email address and password associated with your Apollo.io account, so make sure you have those details handy. Once you've successfully logged in, the next step involves navigating to the admin settings. This area houses various settings pertinent to your account. You should locate the icon or link that indicates settings and then click on admin settings. This takes you to a dashboard where various administrative functions are managed. Now you're going to need to find the section labeled Plan Overview. This might require scrolling down the page a bit, as it's meant to give you an overarching view of your current subscription, the features it includes, and other pertinent details about your account plan. Click on Plan Overview when you see it. This will redirect you to a page where you can view detailed information about your subscription. At this point, you'll want to look for an option that allows you to cancel your subscription. Often this will be a button or a link that clearly states cancel subscription or something similar. It's typically placed at the bottom or somewhere prominent in the plan overview section. Click on this and you may be asked to confirm your decision, ensuring that someone does not cancel by accident. You might also be asked for feedback about your experience with Apollo.io or your reasons for leaving. Make sure you follow any additional prompts to successfully complete the cancellation process. And there you have it. Your Apollo.io subscription should now be canceled. Remember that depending on your billing cycle, you might still have access to the service until the end of the period you've paid for. It's always a good idea to double check your email for any confirmation messages from Apollo.io regarding your cancellation. This can serve as proof that you've successfully ended your subscription, just in case there are any discrepancies later on. We hope this guide has been helpful to you. If you have any questions or run into difficulties, don't hesitate to reach out to Apollo.io customer support for further assistance. Thank you for watching and have a great day.